Okay, and welcome to video, I believe 4 at this point. This video will focus on layered curls, checks, and change in pressure. You'll notice I only put a light shading for layered curls and checks because it doesn't really need it for change in pressure. That'll get used in just a little bit. So let's go ahead and start with layered curls. For each of these, you will need 3 colors each, a light, medium, and a dark. Again, think of analogous colors. Oops. Okay, so let me go ahead and zoom in, and we'll get started. I'm going to start with yellow, and I need to switch to my color pencil. Okay. By the way, the art program I am using is called Art Rage. It's one of my favorite programs to use. I believe it's on sale for 50% off right now, so I've been using it almost every day while we've been stuck at home because I love it. It looks like real oil paint and color pencil. Okay, so let's start. I like to work from the bottom, but you can work from the top. It really doesn't matter. But you're going to take your lightest color and just make some curls. And then you're going to repeat that all the way up. All right. I know this is really entertaining stuff right here, guys. Watching some guy make curls with the yellow color pencil. Okay, so for the next one, you want to choose your middle color. And for this one, let's do light green this time. And just like before, I'm only going to go about 2/3 of the way up, overlapping the curls I've already done. And what I'm going to do is as I get closer to the top where I'm going to stop it, I'm making these curls a lot bigger, just like I did for controlled scribbles, because it kind of makes it look like it's fading and blending into the color underneath. Okay, so now I'm going to choose my dark green and do the same thing, make my curls, and these curls are going to get bigger so they look like they fade. Okay, so that's layered curls. This is a really cool technique you could use for scales or something fuzzy like a teddy bear. Okay, checks. Very simple, very similar. You're going to use a light, medium, and dark color. I'm going to start with my light blue. Let's see, got to change to the correct pencil, not the shading pencil. Okay. And this one, you just make little check marks like that, and you repeat that over and over and over. Okay. I'm not going to sit here and make you watch me do this one, because I think by now you get the idea for this one. I like this one because it reminds me of one of the monsters from Where the Wild Things Are. It kind of looks like the feathers that are on one of those monsters. Okay, so after I do that, I'm going to choose my dark color, my medium color, I'm sorry, and you're going to repeat this. You go right over your check marks. Sometimes kids go in between the check marks. You can do that, but I kind of like the way that it looks like when it overlaps. It kind of looks like it blends more. And it doesn't mean, since if you do, like, I'm not going to sit here and count. If you did 12 checks on the bottom, it doesn't mean you have to do 12 checks of the other color. You do more or less, okay? It's meant to be free, okay? It's not a mathematical equation here, okay? And then we're going to do the dark color. I guess I am going to make you sit and make me watch this, or make you watch this one, okay? And then the last is going to be change in pressure. This one's pretty easy. I'm going to tilt my paper because it's easier for me to do this. Actually, I like to go from light to dark, so I'm going to turn my paper upside down for this one. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. I'm going to choose my big shader. When I switch to big shader, it's just the same as if you were holding your pencil sideways to shade. And let's choose red for this one. Again, I like to work light to dark, so I want to zoom out just a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to work really light. And let me change. Okay, really light. And as you get closer to the top, you change how hard you're pressing. So that way it gets even darker. And that's it. We did this for the very first example, only we did it diagonally. This time we're only going to do it with one color, so it's the color blending into white. So let me go ahead and tilt this so that way you can see. And that is a finished worksheet for the first worksheet. In the next video, we're going to start creating texture with colored pencils. Again, 9 more examples. I'll see you at the next video, guys. Bye.